An 18-core Intel Core i9 Extreme, 4-way Radeon RX Vega or dual GeForce GTX 1080 Ti GPUs, up to 128GB quad-channel DDR4, liquid cooling, yada, yada, yada. Forget specs, Acer's Predator Orion 9000 gaming desktop gets a complete redesign from the current G-series models and it looks awesome. At least from the front, with its squashed Darth Vader helmet facade and Decepticon-esque glowing fans. It has LEDs on the fans. It has LEDs on the motherboard. It has wheels. It's all vents and mesh, with easy open sides. And big handles. I want this thing huffing and puffing atop my desk, driving 2 Dell 8K monitors. The above is the maxed out configuration, of course. Announced at IFA in Berlin. It will actually start at $2,000, roughly £1,550 or 2,500 Australian dollars, though it's not clear what that configuration consists of or how many cat-sitting jobs it will take to pay for the top-end kits. And those RGB lit fans cost extra. It has 10 USB Type-A ports, among other connections, enough for all your VR gear. Europe will get it in November, and we won't see it in the US until December. The Predator Cestus 500 mouse comes with an eminently practical feature, at least for me, mouse buttons with 2 different levels of resistance. I routinely waste ammo and spoil stealth attacks in first-person shooters because of a lazy right forefinger that drops onto the firing button when I'm not paying attention. This potential lifesaver will cost $80, roughly £60 or 100 Australian dollars, when it comes out in November.